Hey all, it's Matt from Style Factory, the go-to site for business app reviews. In this Majestic SEO versus Semrush comparison, I'm going to walk you through the pros and cons of these two popular SEO platforms and help you decide which one is right for you. But just before I begin, a quick disclaimer. Some of the links in the video description are affiliate links. If you buy through them, we may get a commission. This doesn't affect our impartiality, however, and using them is a great way to support our channel. Okay, let's dive in with a look at the reasons to use Majestic over Semrush. I'll follow this up by discussing the areas where Semrush wins. 1. Majestic gives you more historical data. Majestic's backlink data is organized into two indexes, a fresh index that covers the last 120 days and a historic index that dates all the way back to 2006. Between them, they contain over 21 trillion URLs and 4.5 trillion crawled pages. This makes Majestic particularly good for analyzing older websites, reviewing SEO campaigns, or carrying out forensic link audits. Semrush's backlink database, which contains 43 trillion links, is technically larger than Majestic's, but its historical data only goes back to 2012. It doesn't separate this into a standalone historic index like Majestic does, and older links are folded into general reports. 2. Majestic shows you where backlinks appear on a page. Majestic's context report shows users exactly where a backlink appears within the referring page, whether it's embedded in the main body content, tucked into a footer, or listed in a sidebar. This helps you judge how prominent or editorially valuable a link really is. Semrush, by comparison, doesn't provide placement level detail or visual context, so for SEOs who care not just about who is linking, but how and where links are positioned, Majestic can be a better choice. 3. Majestic offers more granular insights into domain authority. Majestic SEO uses two proprietary metrics, trust flow and citation flow, to help users evaluate domain quality. Trust flow scores a site based on how closely its backlinks connect with a curated set of trusted seed websites, while citation flow measures the overall volume of external links pointing to it. They effectively let you look at domains from two perspectives, trustworthiness and link power. Semrush, by contrast, gives you just one metric for assessing domain strength, its authority score. While this does factor in spam factors and link power, it doesn't offer a split view of these. So for those looking for more granular detail on domain strength, Majestic may be a better choice. This perhaps explains why the Majestic domain metrics are widely used in specialist workflows, particularly those applied by link builders, domain brokers, and affiliate marketers. 4. Majestic's backlink analysis tools are more generous. Majestic's Click Hunter feature lets you compare up to 10 domains at once and highlights websites that link to your competitors but not to you. This is double the number catered for by Semrush's equivalent backlink gap feature. Another standout backlink analysis feature in Majestic is its topical trust flow rating, which categorizes referring domains by subject matter. This helps you assess not just link authority, but also thematic relevance, a useful bit of information to have when evaluating potential link sources. Semrush's equivalent backlink gap analysis tool doesn't provide topic-based classification or the same depth of comparative backlink mapping. 5. Majestic provides more sophisticated backlink network mapping features. Semrush's backlink network graph shows connections up to 3 tiers deep. It lets you look at up to 12 first tier, 10 second tier, and 8 third tier referring domains. This helps you spot site clusters, authority hubs, and suspicious link networks. Majestic's link graph, however, remains the more advanced tool for forensic link analysis. It visualizes backlink networks up to 4 tiers deep, highlights link hubs, and integrates Majestic's trust flow and citation flow metrics directly on the graph. This level of depth and control makes it a better choice than Semrush for conducting detailed link audits. 6. Majestic is considerably cheaper. If all you need is a backlink analysis tool and aren't too concerned with other aspects of SEO like keyword research and site auditing, then using Majestic SEO instead of Semrush will save you a lot of money. Its entry-level plan starts at just $49.99 per month, while a monthly Semrush plan will set you back $139.95 per month. Even its Pro plan, which unlocks all of Majestic's historical data, is cheaper than Semrush's entry-level plan. Okay, So those are the key reasons you might want to use Majestic SEO over Semrush. But where does Semrush win? I'll come to that in just a moment, but before I do, I want to invite you to like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This helps us out and gives you access to a host of great free SEO resources. I'd also like to remind you that you'll find links to both Majestic and Semrush in the video description. These include a link to an exclusive double-length trial of Semrush that you won't find on its website. Okay, let's move on to the reasons you might want to use Semrush over Majestic SEO. 1. Semrush is a complete marketing platform. While Majestic focuses almost entirely on the provision of backlink data, Semrush gives you a much more comprehensive feature set. It's an all-in-one platform that gives you tools for performing keyword research, rank tracking, site auditing, content marketing, competitive analysis, and advertising research. This makes it suitable for creating an entire marketing strategy and not just link analysis. 2. Semrush is much better for keyword research. Although technically Majestic gives you keyword suggestions, these originate from anchor text and page titles commonly used in your niche, not necessarily what people are actually searching for. Semrush, by contrast, gives you full access to real search volumes. Its database contains over 26.7 billion keywords, along with information relating to keyword difficulty, competition, search intent, and more. It also gives you personalized keyword difficulty scores, which tell you how hard it will be to rank for a particular phrase based on the overall authority of your website and the topics it already covers. You won't find any of this sort of thing in Majestic, and this makes Semrush a much better choice for keyword research. If you'd like to learn more about using Semrush for keyword research, check out the video description, where you'll find a guide on how to do that. Or, if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link at the top right corner of the screen now. 3. Semrush is better for auditing websites. One of Semrush's standout features is its advanced site audit tool. This performs over 150 checks for technical SEO problems on a website, including broken links, crawl errors, duplicate content, missing meta tags, HTTPS misconfiguration, and Core Web Vitals issues. Audit results are clearly categorized by issue type and severity, and helpful guidance on how to address each problem is provided. By contrast, Majestic doesn't offer any site auditing functionality at all. Its focus is squarely on backlink data. So if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that provides technical SEO checks alongside backlink analysis, the clear winner is Semrush. 4. Semrush is better for rank tracking. Semrush gives you one of the most powerful rank tracking tools on the market. Its position tracking feature lets you monitor how your site is ranking for specific keywords across desktop, mobile, and local search results in a variety of search engines. Majestic doesn't do any of this, so it's a clear win for Semrush here. 5. Semrush gives you extensive PPC data. Semrush gives you access to a fully fledged PPC toolkit that covers everything from competitor keyword targeting and ad copy to estimated budgets, ad positions, and landing pages. This makes it a valuable platform for marketers working on both organic SEO and paid ad campaigns. Unfortunately, Majestic doesn't provide any data relating to pay-per-click advertising at all. 6. Semrush is easier to use. Despite packing in over 50 tools, Semrush presents data in a way that's easy to absorb, thanks to its well-organized menus and clean visualizations that make even complex reports relatively easy to interpret. By contrast, Majestic SEO feels cluttered and dated, and it isn't as easy or as pleasurable to use. 7. Semrush gives you access to a generous free trial. Majestic doesn't offer a fully functional free trial. It lets you create a free account, but this is very limited in scope. Key features like referring domain data, keyword tools, and backlink comparisons are locked. This makes it very hard to test the platform out properly without investing in a subscription. By contrast, Semrush gives you access to all its key data and tools as part of a fully functional free trial. Normally speaking, this lasts just 7 days, but if you use the link in the video description, you can access an exclusive double-length version of it. Okay, so those are the key reasons we'd use Semrush over Majestic. Let's wrap things up now with a quick verdict. Majestic has two things going for it. It's cheap and it's good for link analysis. It can be very helpful in certain niche use cases. Domain brokers or SEOs focused specifically on historical link trust metrics will find it a useful tool. But of the two platforms under discussion, Semrush is the tool I'd reach for in almost any real-world SEO or digital marketing scenario. Unlike Majestic, it gives you the full suite of features for the tasks that SEOs typically need to do: keyword research, site auditing, and content marketing. And its interface is slicker and easier to use too. You'll find links to Majestic and a special extended Semrush trial in the video description. Before you go, we'd love you to hit the like button and subscribe or follow Style Factory wherever you're watching this video. And if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments. We read them all and will do our best to help.